السلام علیکم فیلوز. آج جو ہے ہم ڈکٹیشن کرتے ہیں. آج کے نیوز پیپر میں یہ اوپینین چھپا ہے ڈان میں. یہ کلنگ فیلڈز کے کوئی بلوچستان کے ریلیٹڈ ہے. ٹھیک ہے, تو آج کل یہ ایک ہاٹ ٹاپک ہے, کرنٹ افیئر کا ایشو بھی ہے. تو چانسز ہیں کہ ایف پی ایس سی میں اس کے ریلیٹڈ کچھ آ جائے, اور اگر کچھ نہیں بھی آتا تو بعض اوقات ایسا ہوتا ہے کچھ ورڈز جو ہیں وہ آپ یہاں سے پک کر لیتے ہیں جو کہ آپ کی ڈکٹیشن میں آتے ہیں, تو آپ آسانی سے اس کو ادھر ادھر ری رائٹ کر لیتے ہیں, تو آپ کو پرابلم نہیں ہوتی. تو سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. آج ہم اس کو 100 ورڈز پر منٹ پہ لکھنے کی کوشش کرتے ہیں. آپ بھی کوشش کریں کہ جو ڈکٹیشن لکھیں اس کو بعد میں اپنا بریک لگا کے ویڈیو کو اور اس کو ریڈ آؤٹ ایٹ لیسٹ ضرور کریں. ایسے نہیں کہ آپ بس ڈکٹیشن لے کے اس کو چھوڑ دیں اور اس کو پڑھیں نا. تو پڑھنا بہت ضروری ہے, کیونکہ جب تک آپ پڑھیں گے نہیں آپ کو اندازہ نہیں ہو پائے گا کہ آپ سپیڈ صحیح طرح سے پک کر پا رہے ہیں یا نہیں. تو ابھی سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. 5 seconds. Start. Killing fields. Para. Balochistan is on the boil again, and precious lives continue to be lost in the province, with little or no acknowledgement that the so-called iron hand policy being pursued there since the killing of Nawab Akbar Bugti in 2006 has delivered nothing but spiraling death and destruction. Full stop. 5 handsome young men in the uniform, as their posthumously published photos demonstrate. Full stop. The policy pursued so far has inflicted considerable pain and agony on the law enforcement personnel and the Baloch population alike. Full stop. While the parliamentary force are armed with the writ of the law in taking on the terrorists, the general Baloch public is furious at being treated like a hostile, alien presence on their own soil. Full stop. Para. The tragic state of play today is rooted in the shoot from the hip attitude of the then military ruler General Pervez Musharraf, who received appalling counsel from a belligerent and, some say, unstable intelligence chief, a relative of his, and opted for a military operation where when other options existed in 2006. Full stop. Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain and Mushahid Hussain Sayyid, seen as pro-establishment, had made considerable headway in diffusing the crisis and negotiating with the commander of the Bugtis in his Dera Bugti home for a peaceful end to the confrontation. Full stop. Para. The confrontation was triggered by the rape of a young woman doctor in Sui, who pointed a finger of blame at an army captain. Full stop. This enraged Nawab Bugti, because he felt he was responsible for the safety of all under his protection in the Sui Dera Bugti area. Full stop. Para. With Bugti demanding action against the young officer, the military ruler would not even order an inquiry, and instead declared the alleged perpetrator innocent. Full stop. To this day, it is not clear what the general based his verdict on. Full stop. The result is What we have today, an innumerable number of young Baloch men have either been killed in firefights with the security forces or have been the victims of enforced disappearances and gone missing without a trace. Full stop para. There was a time when a kill and dump policy was rampant, and every month a number of tortured, tormented bodies of young Baloch men, gone missing, were found dumped with their names pinned on them, in all probability as a warning to others. Full stop para. After Musharraf jettisoned the Shujat mission and preferred an operation that killed the 79-year-old, infirm Baloch tribal leader, there was no attempt at a negotiated settlement to the simmering conflict, and it was allowed to continue. Full stop. In fact, up to 2006, all challenges to Islamabad Rawalpindi rule were led by Sardars and their tribal followers, and were mainly concentrated in the Bugti and Madi areas. Full stop. Bugti's killing sparked anger and insurgency elsewhere too. Full stop para. Ironically, the act, though policy, has led to such dis- dissentiment among the Baloch youths that today, the zone of conflict has extended way beyond the tribal belt to coastal areas, where traditionally the Sardars have little influence. Full stop. The militant leadership is said to have shifted into the hands of the middle class. Full stop para. One attempt to cool things and deal politically with issues was made after Nawaz Sharif's PMLN entered into an alliance with the Hasil Khan Bazinjo led National Party following the 2013 elections, and Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch became the coalition chief minister in Quetta. Full stop. Dr. Baloch was mandated to make contact, and some parliamentary discussions took place between the chief minister, the PMLN's federal minister, retired General Qadir Baloch, and Baramdag Bugti, who was in exile in Switzerland. Full stop. The triggered some optimisms. Full stop para. However, the within weeks, Bugti complained in a television interview that he waited after the initial contact as he was willing to talk, but nobody from the government team followed up. Full stop. It does not take much to figure out who was enthusiastic about the talks and may have, in fact, voted them. Full stop para. Over the past decade, the security policy has not delivered foolproof security. Full stop. One of the main reasons has to be the alienation of large chunks of the civilian population. Full stop. It is always a guerrilla tactic to provoke security forces into clamping down on civilians so as to drive a wedge between the two. Full stop para. That is what has happened. I will concede it